Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use Google Bard Gemini AI for emails. So here, basically the first thing that you can do once you open your Bard is to make sure that you set up your settings to get the latest experience and capabilities of Bard. So to do that, you just need to click on the extensions icon right here at the top right of your screen. And here you will find all the extensions. We have Google Flights, Hotels, Google Maps, Google Workspace, and YouTube. So you need to make sure here that you enable all of the extensions to get the latest experience. And most importantly, this Google Workspace to use the Gemini AI for emails. Now, in order to use this for emails, we're going to go back to Bard homepage, and we're going to use the text box right here at the bottom. So I just want to type here what emails from LinkedIn, for example, and then I will just add did I have this month. And then here I just need to click on the submit icon right here at the right side. And here we're going to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, it is now starting to generate your emails on this board. So here, as you can see, you received 9 job alert emails from LinkedIn this month. So here is a summary of the job alerts you received. So from graphic designer, from virtual assistant, social media manager, and as you can see here, the link where you can find those emails. Now you can also ask the Bard to summarize these emails. Maybe you're someone that works within a certain industry, or maybe you've missed an email and you wanted to know if you got that. So you just need to ask Bard and say, did I get any emails from LinkedIn this month? So if Bard responds and says, I don't have access to your emails, so you just need to ask it in a way where it seems like Bard understand that it would have this. For example, here, as you can see here, I just put what emails from LinkedIn did I have this month? So just an example here at the top of your screen. So basically, just don't add too much information on Bard so it may not confuse your Gemini AI, which I've seen happen on other certain queries. So that's it. That's how you basically use this Google Bard Gemini AI for emails. And as I've said, you just need to make sure that you enable all of the extensions here to get the latest experience. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.